Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi guys, this is a special request for Mark Townsley. I'm going to cook today the Balti onions, what we need for our different curries, and also the dal, which we need for the dansak, and taka dal. So let's first cut the onions. So we're going to slice a little bit of onion for our dal, and then I'm going to show you how to dice. As you can see, I'm not cutting right to the back of the knife. I'm leaving a few millimeters at the edge there, so it holds the onion together when you dice the onion. So basically this is how you cut diced onion very thinly without the onions kind of falling apart when you're cutting, and also safety as well. So it's a very simple method to use to cut and dice onions, so watch carefully how it's done. Mark wanted to know how to make dansak, so I'm going to send him a recipe for this, but I will be doing a dansak later to show you all how. Take your time when you first start dicing the onions, because knives are sharp, so you have to be a little bit careful, but you do need really sharp knives to cut onions like this. Right, let's start making our Balti onions. I'm doing a small quantity here so that you can make few curries out of it. You can make, with this onion, I will one day show you how to make Baltis as well, because this is one of the main onions we use for Balti and the base gravy as well. So in this you put 200 grams of diced onion, about a cup of water, just a little bit less, quarter a cup of oil, and in this we're going to put some onion seeds as well. About half a teaspoon of onion seeds and a couple of bay leaves. Onion seeds is also known as nigella. That's about half a teaspoon of turmeric. That's the only spice we're going to use for this onions, because we're going to mix spice to it when we cook our curries. We're going to use some of our mixed spice. So bring this to the boil and then turn the heat to medium and simmer it for 10 minutes. It's done. That's how simple it is, this one. Yeah, as you can see, it's boiling. Now turn it down to medium heat. So we just got a gentle boil, and cook that for 10 minutes. Perfect. That's it. That's what we are looking for. A nice texture and colour. So now let's cook the dal. Dal we're going to use for our dansaks and also taka dal. So this is the base what we make for dal, for taka dal and our dansak. So give it a good wash. Make sure all the dirt has gone. You can leave it soaked for about half an hour, but I just cook it straight away. So what you want to do in this, you want to add about 2.5 cups of water. To this you're going to add a couple of bay leaves and a little bit of chopped onion. Also salt, about half a teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of turmeric. That's the only ingredients we're going to have in this dal. Dal, you don't need many spices in dal. You get more flavour from the dal itself. So basically we're going to bring this to the boil. Then we're going to cook this under simmer for 35 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally until the dal breaks down and cooks well. And then basically that's our dal ready as well. So that's our dal and our Balti onions. So keep mind of these ingredients because you will need this for lots of other dishes, especially the Balti onions. Okay, that's fine. That's the end of this lesson, and hope to see you soon. Bye for now.